This is Lance Howell, and I'm going to be doing a presentation and demonstration on a tool I found called Sherlock. It is a um, social media reconnaissance tool. It's if you input somebody's username, you will find in a social media profiles that that person may belong to, and it's just a simple way to find out if they've got a social media account. Um, you, it's not installed by default on Kali Linux, which is the distro that I use to do my security testing. You've got to go to GitHub to find it. And you can go to the GitHub website. It is at um, github.com/Sherlock project/Sherlock, and there you can find this page. And um, I'll have a link to where you can get this, or you can just search for it. But it's a pretty easy install. All you need to do is go down here, and what you'll need to do is you'll need to clone the repo and then run the git clone command to clone that, and you'll need to change directories and into the Sherlock directory and install the requirements, and you should be up and running. I'll paste that command. Now it's cloning and after I've done that, then I'll cd into the Sherlock directory, and then install the Python 3 files, required files, with a pip install. And wait a little bit. It isn't a big install. And then you need to run Python 3 Sherlock. And this is the help file. And there are several different commands or arguments and options that you can use. But to do a simple search, you just do Python 3 . and type in a username. And wherever that username shows up on social media, that it'll list that option. And it may take a little bit. You can also use a CSV file if you've got a CSV of all the usernames. And it shows a whole bunch of files. This tool is a good way to do some reconnaissance on what social media or community groups subject is a part of or a member of. It will give you an idea, so you can find out, do some more digging in their background.